all, how are you? எல்லாருக்கும் நமஸ்காரம், வணக்கம். So Priya's time with kids லேந்து bundles of joy winter camp was running from for 15 days. Okay, நிறைய activities we have done. So as usual, that is come first, this come next. Okay, so we had origami for the first 3 days. Then we have card making, greeting cards for birthdays. We had keyboard, and then we had Christmas cakes and wishes. Then she was able to entertain with a dance, and then she was able to entertain with a DIY painting. A girl holding a balloon. No, that is a galaxy theme painting. Then she was able to go for a DIY unicorn, and then unicorn, which is a painting. Then she has a book cover. So lots and lots of things, and then very lively cost effective calendar, DIY calendar was being made by her. So these are all the activities which has been taken place in the Bundles of Joy winter camp. So if you just calculate the time required for the planning, execution, preparation of raw materials, then thinking, and then editing the video, she is the person who edited. So completely the kid was being forced to get involved only in productive activities instead of screenshots. So this, as parents, we achieved from the back end. So in the front end, she was, now this is technology world, right? We need to back up the server front and back. No, so that is why I am technically speaking in all your Chotu's language. So in the back end, as parents, we were just planning her. It's a gentle love push that to move from the device addiction to the this way of productive use of the time in the pandemic and also during the winter holidays. So in the front end, she was able to execute all these things like DIY painting, calendar.
Instead, we're going to learn to make DIY stickers, or we learn to make stickers on our own. So supplies you'll need is clear tape, pencil, scissors, and your drawn stickers. You can either draw the stickers or you can print them out. I'm going to show you how to make with the printed stickers. You can find the templates anywhere in Google, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, anywhere. So the first thing you have to do is cut out your stickers. When cutting out your stickers, make sure to leave a bit of white space. In this template, it has already showed these lines to cut it out, where it has left some white space. So now let's cut them out. I'm going to cut out 2 or 3 just to show you. I finished cutting out my stickers. You can cut out many as you want, but for this slide, I'm just going to show you the method of making the stickers. Now keep your stickers aside and take your duct tape. What you're going to do is you're going to take a unstickable surface like your glass dining table or this table. You're going to take your duct tape and you're going to spread it. You're going to take the desired length of your stickers. You have to take the length where you can place your stickers side by side without touching like this. Now place your stickers like this. If your sticker is very tall, you can place it portrait-wise. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take another layer of duct tape. And I'm going to spread it over it. Make sure it does not displace when you're keeping it. Now what you're going to do is you're going to peel off the duct tape, because since you have 2 layers, the 2 layers should have stuck together and they should have come out like this. So now you can see your beautiful stickers. Make sure not to touch outside. if you do not have glass table or something, you can try with wax paper. It also works well. Now you're going to cut your stickers out from the stuck tape. When cutting, make sure to leave some space, just like we left some white space for cutting the stickers out. We're going to leave some space to give it stickiness. Are done. Now our very cute stickers are done. If you're making stickers and not using it right away and you want to store it like in a sticker like sheet, you can either use sticker sheet that you can get in market, or if you don't have, you can use simple baking or wax paper.
I think you enjoyed the entire camp, starting from origami, then painting, then DIY, so many things. Thank you so much, Akshaya, for being a wonderful activity.
I hope you all enjoyed the activities, and today's activities, stickers. Here I've made this normal sheet with A4 size and the baking paper where you can stick your stickers and peel off very easily to use your stickers later.
So we're signing off with the yummy donut and a cool ice cream. See you all. Come near. See you all in another exciting summer camp up the ramp. Okay. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Stay connected. Thank you so much.